Master Adobe Photoshop once and for all. Create flawless, dramatic images using the tools the professionals choose. Today is your chance to finally take control and master the Adobe Photoshop software through our video series, which contains 18 videos. You'll discover how to get the most from Adobe Photoshop in order to meet your objectives. Learn how to use the clone, stamp, healing brush, and patch tool. Learn the process of retouching and patching your images. Learn how to use Adobe Lasso and Crop tool. Learn how to create a mini site, ebook, DVD, and e-cover. Learn how to transfer your photos from JPEG into a range of other formats. Learn how to create image layers, grouping objects in images and graphic overlays. Learn how to use filters to create different effects in your images. All this and a great deal more is covered in the tutorials included in our Photoshop Mastery Video Tutorial Series. To find out more, click the link below or visit photoshoptutorialsite.com.